Thank you for giving opportunity.
Thank you, Smita. Now from our side, Mr. Murugappan will come and he will share his experience to all of us.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Murugappan. I'm going to talk about a celebration of marriage function which happened in my caste in South region. Actually, a marriage functions have been happened over in South India in a different manners, different style, and I'm going to share my experience. That is, I'm a Chettiar caste, so I'm going to share the experience of marriage that happened in Chettiar caste. Actually, the marriage function will happen over a period of 3 to 4 days, and all the relatives, all the families will be called for the marriage. And first day of the marriage, the warm welcoming of a groom will happen, and at the same day, Chettinadu type of a marriage will take place in a combined home, that our relatives, 5 to 10 relatives will be having a home for a single home will be for them. It will be like a bungalow that with a kind of a 10 to 12 rooms, 12 bedrooms will be there, and a very big stage for marriage or celebration of some kind of for our culture. Whatever celebration we will be conducting in the home only. Marriages will be happening in only homes. And during the time of our marriage, first day of our marriage, we will be warm welcoming the groom, and first day we will be keeping all the things, dowry things for the groom, including metal things, gold things, even platinum things, all the kind of dowry things will be kept in the common hall, and it will be showcased for our relatives to show that how much we are giving to the groom. On the same day of our marriage, we will be welcoming the bride, and for bride side we will be giving the dowry things, which will also include all the home appliances and all the things for their daily uses. And during the third day only, the bride and groom will be coming together, and they will tie the knot. Before that, there will be a lot of our culture specifications will be there, that the bride need to do some culture activities to groom, and those kind of activities will be happening for around 2 to 3 hours, and most probably both bride and groom will be surrounded by fog only. Most of them, the smoke will be around the whole home, and they will be suffer a lot during the marriage. And after marriage, the game session will start. The game session will happen for around half a day. It will go like breaking what to say in English, breaking puppet, and catching apple in from bucket. Those kind of games will be happening, and at the end of the day, for all 3 to 4 days, all the morning food, breakfast, lunch and dinner will be provided in the same home, and all the relatives will be present for a minimum of 1 week. They will be gathered together in the same house. And after the marriage, we will be conducting a reception in a separate marriage hall. We won't conduct a reception in our home, and during the reception only we used to call all the work relatives, colleagues, those kind of friends, office friends will be coming for only reception, and moreover they won't come for a marriage, as it longs for 3 to 4 days. No one will join us. Only our relatives, family members will be staying over there. And after marriage, honeymoon package, if any of our during my brother's marriage, we have booked the tickets and the honeymoon package we have gifted to them, and for our culture's marriage, parents will give, or else they will arrange for themselves, or else office colleagues like them, they may give a present for their honeymoon. And honeymoon happens for 3 or 4 honeymoons they will be giving for packages itself. And that's it.
Thank you, Murugappan, for sharing a great experience of South Indian marriage with us. Now from your side.
I wish to call Sheba, and her topic is music.
Hi friends, I talk about music. Music is the most important in the part of human beings. any feelings, you listening the music, your mind is change. Music, hearing the music, you peaceful and mind is relaxation. Different types of music is there in the world. There's Carnatic music, pop music, westerns. If no, Ilayaraja music is very nice. 1980s songs is one of the best songs in movies. If any functions, first you play these songs. Before music, first release the music. Thank you. If any questions, I will ask.
Yadav, would like to ask question?
Which kind of music do you like?
Okay, Miss Sanita will ask questions. Come on.
Which kind of music do you like? Podum. Hello?
Okay, thank you. Now from our side, Mr. Abdul Salam will come and he will tell about a very interesting topic, gift.
Good evening everybody. My topic is gift. Different types of gifts. First of all, birthday gifts and marriage gifts. Valentine's gifts, etc. It is Valentine gifts. It's more attractiveness in packaging covers and different more impress my lovers. Marriage gifts will be any other kinds. That's all. Any other question?
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Abdul Salam.
I wish to call Ram Mohan and his topic is media.
Good evening friends, I am Ram Mohan. I am going to talk about media. Media, everywhere media. So nowadays, politicians are not able to sleep because of media, and kids are enjoying because of media, and old people are enjoying because of media, and youth are also enjoying because of media. Now media is providing all type of news channels like spiritual news and political news, and for kids they have kids channels like cartoon networks, and for musical lovers they have some music, some etc. music channels, and also through media we can know, we can sit at home, we can sit at a bedroom, we can know about what is happening throughout the globe. So either a bomb blast in Hyderabad, a terrorist attack in Kashmir, or a tsunami at Japan. Everywhere group, what is happening, we can come to know through media within a minutes. So anything is happening in the group. So through flash news, we are getting the through media only. We are getting the news. They have different type of channels, so it attract the different type of people. So how they are going to make use of the media. For farmers, they have like a few channels for having the particular farmers. There they can go and ask the questions. They will get the know how to make use of the all the to cultivate fields and all. And through kids also, nowadays we have some kid channels, some education channels, some science technology channels, some discovery channels where we can improve our knowledge, and we can keep on update. We can get the up to date knowledge through media only. There are many advantages through media. So the best thing is the people how they make use of it. That's it. Thank you.
Should there be any limitations? Should there be any limitation to the media?
That depends on the. That depends, right? So there is no limitation for the good things.
Yes.
So for bad things, obviously there are limitations. So now government is banning few bad channels also.
No, like news media, if you will say take, then in case of some sort of rumor that may happen through media only, and
if it is a rumor, they will get only 1 to 2 minutes only. After that, if it is a rumor, government immediately they will announce it is a rumor. Don't believe it.
Okay, sir. Thank you. I have a question. Do you think that the media is showing us the exact news?
Obviously, we will get the maximum of exact news only. The few things they will proactively they will publish more to attract the people. They will add two more flavors. That's it.
Okay. If you see about the Delhi case, all the medias are shown that, so everyone know about the news. But regarding the Sri Lankan issue, it seems that no more media are raised their hands except the Pudhiya Thalaimurai channel.
So I'm not aware of that. What exactly happened in Sri Lankan issue?
You said media is everywhere. Media, and media.
Correct. Media. Probably that media is not allowed in that because of some security issues. Probably media is not able to allow.
Then why Pudhiya Thalaimurai only showed that?
Sorry.
Pudhiya Thalaimurai. That's a media. You know.
Sorry, I'm not aware of that. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
I have one question.
Okay.
The celebrities are getting caught by media when they are not wanted to be. And the thing is, when they are going for with their family and they want they want some privacy, and at the same time the media came and they are published their news. But my point is, and for the celebrities,
I can understand your point. The thing is, so if you have a good things, then obviously there will be bad things also. So they should not publish it. There should be some privacy. The thing is, because of media, they want to create some hype. They are going to go and take the snaps and they are publishing. That's it. Now government has to restrict the media these type of things.
Thank you. Now from our side, Mr.